Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, stock market closed. It's Saturday, but that doesn't mean we're not thinking about money. We're thinking about, when it opens up on Monday, a lot of earnings coming up. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about a play that I have actually coming up that I'm thinking of making, an options play before earnings. And yeah, guys, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below stocks that you're buying or plays that you're making. I'm always interested. I'd love to talk to you guys. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get right into it. Portfolio down $65 today. I don't even hold a significant amount of crypto. I don't own $65 worth, so I'm not sure what that's about. But the stock we're talking about today is ticker symbol ELF, ELF Beauty Company. The stock has been hit very hard amid the news of the tariffs on China, Mexico, and Canada. This company specifically experiencing hardships with the Chinese tariffs. I own a significant amount of this stock in my portfolio, about 5%, almost 6%, 8.5 shares almost. So yeah, this is a company that I believe strongly in. I think they're a great company, great management, great leaders in their circle. And yeah, so with this, I want to say that they have earnings coming up, and this has presented an opportunity for me to make a play on their stock. Their earnings are actually happening February 6th. They're expected 0.75 cents per share, and this has left me with the thought that there's probably an option that has good value. So the option that I'm going to be picking up actually for this is I wanted something that expires in around 30 days, 26 too. These were both good options, I think, between the 26 and the 40. But this is an expensive option that I'm thinking of picking up. I'm not 100% sure I'm going to do it, but contemplating it. But it was this $85. The implied volatility is very high on this. That is the thing that's pushing me away, because this is a big earnings. We need to see where this company stands with what's going on. So yeah, I mean, these are definitely very high IV options. So I'm still thinking about it, but I mean, this company is positioned very well for their earnings, in my opinion. And yeah, I mean, let's check out the financials on this company. We can see that their total assets have been growing rapidly year over year. I mean, this is a company that if we go back, we can see that their stock has actually, or let's go back to ELF, their stock has dropped a lot over the past year, down 37%. Over the past 5 years, the stock is still up, but I mean, we can see we were at highs of 217, and now we are at $100, almost under that triple digit stock price marker when we were at 217. So there's a lot of fear in this company. Obviously, their stock price dropped by over 50% over the course of, I think, not even a year. Yeah, March 1st it was at that high. So their stock price dropping this rapidly is definitely a cause for concern. And the stock price did drop rapidly because of the company slowing growth rates, because they were so rapidly growing. It was going up so quickly, and it was unsustainable. Any investor in this could see that this was unsustainable. The price was going up with the thought that it was going to be sustainable and it was going to happen forever. But when the news broke that they weren't going to be able to hold these growth rates, the stock began to drop. They still have great growth rates. That's what I wanted to talk about. ELF's return on invested capital is 14.63%. That's amazing. I mean, in the stock market, it doesn't really get that much higher. I mean, they're returning 14.63%. We can check out actually right here. A lot of ads on this site actually, but we can see right here that ELF's ROIC as of today, reading right here, it's 11.72%. And yeah, it's also 14%, it says, calculated using their TTM income statement, but I think that that's more accurate. Their 14% one, I think around there is what you can expect from ELF, and their 14% ROIC is above market standard. And typically, not all the time, but ROIC is what the stock is generally returning year over year. So this is a stock I think that you can expect without a lot of you know drama going on in the company and things happening outside of their control. If they do continue this ROIC of 14.63%, I think you can see anywhere from 14 to 15% returns year over year with this company in the stock price, and you can capitalize on that. I mean, that's beating the S&P average of around 10% a year, 9% by a lot. So I mean, if this company can keep up with this growth rate, and they can stay with this 15%. It was much higher back when they were still in the growing stages, but now they're really trying to capitalize on what they have. And yeah, I mean, with all this fear on the stock, I think it's a good time to bring up every horrible investor's go-to quote from the GOAT investor Warren Buffett: be fearful when others are greedy, be greedy when others are fearful. I think there are a lot of times where people are greedy when others are fearful for good reason. There's definitely stocks out there that have performed very bad and been horrible investments where people have been quote unquote fearful, and it didn't end up working out too well. So I don't think this is one of those cases. I think this is a case where it's a good time to be greedy. People are fearful, but it's all purely speculation. We're gonna see in the earnings what truly is going to happen with this company, but I think it's for the most part purely speculation. This is a well-established company. You can see they have a market cap of over $5 billion. They're not a mega cap, but they're not a micro cap either. I mean, this is a company that's had some skin in the game. They have a 54 PE. They're very high growing, very fast growing, very high growth rate company. They've been very expensive before. And yeah, I mean, I believe in this company for the long term. They have a great management team. Right here, their CEOs came in and done something that nobody else in the makeup industry has been able to do. It's a relatively new company as well. IPO'd on September 22nd, 2016. And yeah, ever since then, they've been growing rapidly. They were up 800%. Now they're only up 300. But I think that the 800% that they were up is definitely doable in the near future, definitely in the future. So yeah, I think ELF is a great price right now for what you can get for this company. Sometimes I like to look at the analysis on Yahoo Finance. We can see a lot of analysts are saying buy. Average price targets don't mean anything. Take them with a grain of salt. But the average price target is 157.25. Yeah, I think this is a great company. I think there's a lot of fear around this company that's unjustified. I think no matter what happens with tariffs, ELF is going to prevail. And they've been doing so with, I mean, the fear of TikTok going down. I don't think that's going to happen. The fear of the tariffs on Chinese products, I think they can find a way around that or work with that and just increase their prices. As they've been getting more on retailers' shelves and establishing their pricing and finding that customer base that's loyal, I think ELF has been very much improving their quality of products and also how they're supplying them and how they're making them. And I think that with the experience they have, they're very well positioned for a tough battle like this. And I don't think people are ready to hear that. I don't think people are, they have confidence in this stock as of right now. But I think this is one that you can put your confidence in, and you can be, happy with what's going to happen after this earnings, and definitely farther after that. So I'm definitely going to invest some more in this company on Monday. Hopefully it keeps dropping. That's my hope. I want to be able to buy it for a cheaper price. And yeah, guys, I mean, this is just the play for today. It is a Saturday, so not a lot going on in the market. Tomorrow's Sunday. Enjoy the weekend, and thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.